here's a little story I thought I might read you this morning, boys and girls. It's called If You Were a Bird. So look at that boy is flying high in the clouds. If you were a bird. Let's turn the page and see. So then, if you were a bird. So he's like a bird up in the sky. Look, he's going, what are you doing flying? Let's see. If you were a bird. Look at him changing. He's changing into a bird. You could fly. Look at that. Yeah, you could fly around. You could bath in a puddle, or you could eat worms. Well, I don't know if I want to eat worms, but if you were a bird, these are the things you could do. You could fly, bathe in a puddle, and eat worms. But the cat, dun dun dun, might get you. Oh yes, because cats chase birds, I think, don't they? So maybe if you could be a dog. Look, the bird, he's changing into a dog. And there you are. If you were a dog, then maybe you could you guess what you could do then? That's it. You could chase the cat. Chase the cat. I'm gonna get you, cat. Get away from me. Yeah, you could chase the cat away. You could chase him up into a tree, look. But then the lady who owns the cat might chase you, but what could happen next? I wonder what could happen next. Maybe it might be more fun to be a lion. A lion. Oh my goodness, look at the dog. He's changing into a lion. Oh my goodness me. So if you were a lion, well, look at that. You could roar at the lady and the cat. Look, he's terrible. Oh my goodness, there's a lion roaring at me. Roar. Oh, goodness gracious, you could chase her away. And look, the park would be the jungle, and you would be the king. And it says here, keep off the grass. Look, everybody's staying away from the lion. I wouldn't want to go near the lion, would you? And you could say to people, I am a lion, and I am going to eat you up. Ah, everybody's running away. Look, he has his bib on because he wants to eat a person. I don't know if that's a good idea. I wonder what's going to happen next. But look, oh no, a lion is loose. Quick, catch the lion. So here come the people with the net. This man's maybe from a circus. Oh, he's got a gun and the policemen are coming. A lion is loose. Catch that lion. Lions, do you see, can have problems too. So maybe it might be better to be a dog. But it's not always great being a dog. Oh no. Then maybe you could be a bird again. Oh no, but birds also have problems, so maybe it might just be better to be you, because it's great being you. Aren't you glad you're you? I'm glad you're you, and I really miss you. I hope I'll see you all soon. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.